Right guys, so done with 2018 CSIR exam and coming to the my view about the paper. I think this physical was difficult. Quantum he has banged totally, like 4 questions. Not even a single question I felt was easy from quantum chemistry. Never happened. For the first time I felt like quantum has totally banged. Okay, so quantum was difficult. Physical chemistry was difficult because questions appeared from anharmonicity. Maybe this is basic, but most do not read it, and because of that, many did not attempt anharmonicity questions. Maybe six marks have come from this anharmonicity, 6 or 8, I don't remember, but roughly, yeah. Anharmonicity questions have been appeared. Apart from that, gaseous state, which we just leave it after our BSc, right? So even from gaseous state, the colligative property, vapor pressure, this kind of questions appeared from physical. So physical was like totally out of this world this time. Okay, organic was easy, I feel, because I did not read organic, but still I never read organic, but still I felt like 2 marks I attempted around five questions from organic. So maybe on that basis I am telling that organic is easy, but I don't know. You can tell me how was the 4 marks questions from organic. Inorganic, as usual, very basic questions came from inorganic. Once again, the lanthanides, actinides, as happened in the last year, I mean the December, the same happened this time. They have asked the very basics from lanthanides and actinides, and there were many basic questions. Okay, so I'll just tell you what topics I told in the last video, and most of them have been appeared. Like whoever have followed this particular topics in their last day, they've definitely gained a lot from this particular topic. Like I have told that ESR a definite question, and yes, the most simplest question came from ESR spectroscopy, that is number of EPR lines from of CD3. Okay, I stressed that examples are important, and yes, example appeared from ESR. Okay, either of them was expected, so you got a question from ESR. And then molecular term symbols. Now this was the the major scoring thing this time, because 4 plus 2, 6 marks appeared from molecular term symbols. Without giving a group theory question this time, they just added +2 to the molecular term symbols. So whoever have read these molecular term symbols, very easily they have got 6 marks from this particular topic. Type of cluster, yes, very easy again. You were given 4 options, and very easily you were given 2 choices to be eliminated, so you were left out only with two options. Okay, so if you have noticed that, yes, the complex was big, but it was very easy to eliminate the 2 options. Okay, so this was again an easy question which appeared from the type of cluster. So ESR, molecular term symbols, type of cluster. Group theory did not appear because this was covered. Bioinorganic, very simple. Whatever I have thought, like a person, I think Rocky, he after completing exam, he texted in the bioinorganic video that he has read that, I mean he has seen that video in the morning, and the same question appeared in the exam, that is from hemocyanin. Okay, so bioinorganic, as expected, you got bioinorganic questions, and that too whatever I have thought, like I have thought hemerythrin, hemocyanin and hemoglobin, and good that you have got from hemocyanin. Okay, this did not come. This also I think did not come. I did not observe carbonyls, some carbonyl question, but I don't remember if it was stretching frequency. Yes, this was scoring easily. There was choice where you have eliminated there, where you could eliminate 2 options very easily. NMR, the spectra, the data problem, I have told in my last video, please read coupling constant and chemical shift values from NMR, nothing else, and you could gain 4 marks easily. And yes, that question appeared for 4 marks from NMR, right? Now this was like a major difference from the 2017 and 18 paper is quantum. Maybe the 17 at least 2 questions were easy, but this time all the 4 questions I felt were difficult. Okay, whoever have learned the subject into the depth of it might have done at least 1 or 2 questions. Okay, 1 question, yeah, the what I have taught, perturbation theory, even that needs some logic to answer. Whatever I made the video may not help you completely to answer, but still you could try out with some logic. for that one particular question, and other questions were totally, out of this world. So this part has totally might made students down after exam. So yeah, the quantum is like horrible this time. Coming to this, yeah, line viewer bug plot. I From the very first video of mine, I'm telling you these are most important, and in the middle someone asked me what to read from kinetics. I told no need of order and all, you have to read this three. And yes, question have been appeared from line viewer bug plot. It was very lengthy, lot of data was given to just confuse, but yes, it was easy. The line viewer bug plot was asked in the exam. Okay, so just see how many have been asked. Whatever I've asked you to read, most of them appeared in the exam. Okay, coming to the physical, yes, entropy appeared in the exam. This did not appear, this did not appear, and another most important thing, Langmuir. I think 6 marks came from this Langmuir adsorption isotherm. Okay, surface chemistry, only 2 topics I asked you to read. One was surface area determination and Langmuir adsorption isotherm, and yes, this appeared in the exam, not just for 2 or 4, but for 6 marks. Okay, and then because this appeared, this did not appear. Okay, Eyring equation did not appear from kinetics. Instead, Langmuir adsorption isotherm appeared from surface chemistry. Right, and then this did not appear because from last 1 year, regular questions were coming from 2016 December, 2017 January, 2017 June and 2017 December. The same question whatever appeared in the June came in December. So this time there was no question from this. Yes, again the question came from this, where you were asked to find out the weight, and I have told you to actually learn everything, the density, how to calculate the weight and everything in my last video. So yes, even this appeared. Spinals did not appear. Maybe I'm expecting this in GATE. Okay, mostly it is asked in GATE, not in CSIR. Mostly the GATE people give this spinals question. Okay, Bronsted-Dijkroom equation, no. Electrochemical series, no. These were not all important, but yes, periodic table. There was a nuclear chemistry question, and there were F-block questions where periodic table was important because they gave some gadolinium +2, lutetium +2. I think 2 questions came from F-block, if I am not wrong. Maybe 8 marks or 6 marks, I don't remember, but yes, it was totally based on the electronic configuration. Seriously, I did not remember. I wanted to write, but I was not able to write the electronic configuration of this elements. If you know electronic configuration, you would have easily wrote something like one was related to color, if I'm not wrong, right? So color based one question came, and some other question also which was easy if you have known the atomic numbers and the electronic configuration. So even the periodic table you have to read, I told you, and yes, it has again backed in the exam, right? And then unit conversions, yeah, there was a question, very simple, the delta G is equals to NFE question, I don't remember the name, yeah. Based on this formula, they gave N value, like we'll get it from the equation. F they gave 96,500 the standard, E they gave some 1.0 volts, 1.15 volts, and they asked what is delta G. Okay, but here the units were again kilojoules, mole inverse, kilojoules, and like that. Okay, so again this was a formula conversion question. If you have been good at the formula conversions, then it would be easy for you to even solve these particular questions. So as I told, unit conversions and units are also very important for the exam. So my experience on this ChemShot for this last 3 months based CSIR exam pattern makes me feel that whatever I am expecting are been appearing in the exam. So from the next time, what am I planning is that we'll concentrate on F block and oscillators. Okay, oscillators and basics. Okay, when I say basics, I'll try to teach even your graduation and I mean the very basic, the graduation topics also, because there were many questions like electronegativity question. Even in the 2017 December, electronegativity questions appeared. Okay, you remember it or not, I don't know, but yes, electronegativity appeared even this time. I was not able to do it. They asked something BF3, NF3, I don't know, and they were asking some electronegativity basis. So it is very important for all of us to be good at basics. See, because we don't know basics, somewhere we lose the marks. So it's very important that instead of focusing on the main things, whatever I have made, iron, Langmuir, Bronsted, Durham, apart from all this, let us read few basics like oscillators, F block, and the periodic properties from the inorganic is very very important. Many questions from the periodic properties have appeared. Okay, so we'll concentrate on all this, because most of the times if you look back for the previous papers, yes, always these were the questions there. Okay, but now he's concentrating more on the basics as the competition is increasing. So I'll try to make all these videos in for the next upcoming exam, so that even I'll be good at it, and all of you should also learn the basics before you qualify for your exam. Okay, after being a postgraduate, it is very important that we should know the basics. So just tell me your feedback about the exam, and like I'll be eager to know how all of you have written by watching my videos, by your own hard work and everything. So I'll be waiting for your feedback for the exam, and then we'll discuss few questions which have been appeared in the exam, right? Thank you.